Interesting facts. Did you know that you can recover WhatsApp messages which you have deleted? In order for this to work, you have to keep in mind that these WhatsApp messages, they have to be deleted at least 24 hours after receiving them. Before I get into it, please subscribe and like for more content like this. In this scenario, I'll be deleting a WhatsApp chat with messages that I received 2 days back. After deleting that WhatsApp chat, you have to go to your file manager, then go to internal storage, then open the WhatsApp folder, then go to databases. Let me show you a bit of context. The file at the bottom, the one written msgstore.db.crypt.14, is the file that stores your latest chats. Then you'll find other files written db.msgstore followed by the date. Those files are the files that stores previous chats from previous days. In a nutshell, these are the files that store the deleted messages. What I will do now is to copy the file name of the file at the bottom, the one written msgstore.db.crypt14. To do this, I will hold this file, then on the options, I'll go to rename, then I'll copy the file name. After that, I have to delete this file, so I delete it. After that, I'll rename the file written msgstore followed by the date, so I'll rename it to msgstore.db.crypt14. What I have to do next is to delete WhatsApp, so let me delete it. After that, I have to go to a Google Play Store and download WhatsApp. After installing WhatsApp, you'll be given the option of restoring a backup. You should choose that option of restoring the backup. As you can see, I have managed to successfully restore that chat which I deleted. WhatsApp has two different kinds of backups. The first one being the cloud backup, which deals with backing up on the Google Drive. The second type of backup is the backup that I was dealing with, a local backup. So local backups are automatic. They happen every day around about 2 a.m., 3 a.m. So at that time, your WhatsApp, it backs up all chats onto your local storage. Thank you for watching this video until the very end. I would really appreciate it if you were to subscribe or even like.